You can see I've got 2 full terabytes here and 4 terabytes here, so I had to buy a new SanDisk, and it's a 2 terabyte hard drive, and I'm going to show it to you guys. Alright, so I bought another one of these, which I think are pretty good, and we're going to go ahead and open this up. Alright, so I got a new one because I use these things fast. Got so many hard drives. And here it is. It's small, huh? Tiny little feller. Alright, let's see if I can get this out. Oh my gosh. So why do they put all this stuff on them? I don't get it. It's like ridiculous. Alright, so that baby's undone. USB-C. Let's see if it came with a, oh look, it does come with a cord. And this is interesting. They give you a USB-C, and they give you this adapter that you can use. So you could just, if you've got regular USB, you can just do this. Okay, it only goes on a certain way, by the way. Look, all right, so this has these little clips in it, so you've got to put it a certain way. And then you can use this, on a USB. And then you just plug this bad boy in right here. And now you can go ahead and plug this in the back of your computer. Well, I have a Mac, so I've got to plug it in the back of the Mac. And so now I've got a brand new SanDisk. This is 2 terabytes. And it was like, I don't know, $150 maybe. So it's a little bit smaller than my 4 terabyte one, but let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, so anyway, I've got a bunch of ports here, right? So I want to use those. I'm using the adapter, so we're going to try it out and see how she works. I just got to get it in right. Okay, there we go. So I'm in, and now we can go ahead and load some stuff up. Let's see how it works. See if it works, all right? If you look, here's my one drive, which is 4 terabytes, which is right there. And here's my 2 terabyte SanDisk right here. So this thing right here, I'm gonna show you. I've got a whole bunch of videos in here. This is like, it has a lot on it. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it right in here. So, well, you know what? Before I do that, I want to put this one video in there. All right. So now I'm going to pull this whole file over to this drive. So here I go. I'm going to put it right in there. Bam. And there she goes. She's going in. See that? And yeah, it's working. So, I mean, it's just basically plug and play. You just got to plug it into your computer. You don't have to do any kind of formatting. And bam, Bob's your uncle. It's ready to go. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like this. Peace out. All right, so it just went in there. Let's take a look. And bam, there's all those videos all in there. So, if I wanted to like click on one and just hit the space bar. All right, so I need to get this out. All right, so it's working. That worked great. So I gotta say, I like that. It went in fast, super fast, and yeah, that one's gonna work fine. All right, again, thanks for watching and subscribe. Peace out.